morning.
And Mom,
Yes.
Buddy is like
It's right there. Troy and Cece were looking for Buddy this morning.
and Buddy is like from the Monsters Inc. where like he's
What do you think about the eye?
he's like I'm always watching you.
Yeah, that's right. Buddy's always watching if you're good or bad.
Oh, Troy.
Here, stand up. Let me see. Show everybody you guys pajamas. Come on. Oh yeah. Oh, it's just do it. Troy will do it. Let me see, Troy. Oh, look at that.
Look at my pants also.
Yeah, look at that. Matchy matchy, huh?
Match, 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 match.
Yeah. So it is. Ano oras na ba?
He's on it.
Good morning, guys. Happy, ano ba day today? Happy Thursday? So, it is 7:11 na ng morning. Huy! Lakasan talaga. And it's snowing outside and the wind is crazy. Oh my gosh. So, we are waiting for school to call kung may school ba today or not. So, yeah. Kasi 2-hour delay sila today. And, 7:11 na. So, the school needs to, alam niyo yon, tumawag na kung may school man or wala. Dahil we still need to prepare for breakfast. And, hindi ako nag-prepare. Hindi ko sila ginising kasi to make sure lang na they will get their sleep. But, nagising sila mag-isa. Napakita ko sa inyo yung labas. And the wind is crazy. Ayan. Hindi na siya masyadong malakas. Ganina, ang lakas ng hangin.
No.
Yeah, there's a little bit of snow. So, I guess. So, guys, ito yung lunch ni Troy. Si Chad tsaka si Caleb, kakain na lang sila sa school. Ayan. Sandwich, orange, and kanyang oatmeal pie, kanyang fruit snack, and drinks. Ayan. So, i-start natin yung sasakyan, guys. Para lamig. My gosh. Para ay ko, mag-warm yung sasakyan. Wala akong jacket. Ala. Oh my gosh, lamig. Ganun niyo yung ice sa aking car. Oh my gosh. Lamig. Oh my gosh. Tingnan niyo yan. Ang lamig. Oh my gosh. Wala pa akong jacket. Oh my gosh. Ang lakas ng hangin.
I like rain because I have a...
Okay, you need to hurry up. Oh my gosh, ang lamig. Let's see go in.
Troy, get out! And
No, just go. Papalabasin mo pa eh.
I'm going to ride a bus.
Yes. So, dito na kami sa bus stop, guys. Ayan. Sobrang lakas ng hangin. Oh my goodness. So, ayan guys. It's 8:46 and ayan pa lang yung bus. Parating pa lang. O, diba? Late siya. I'm hoping na this is not a,
Different bus.
no. Oh, it's Mike. Okay. Ayan, nasa bus na sila.
So, Mommy,
Yes.
move your jacket here. So I can sit there.
Okay, go sit there, baby.
Okay, Mom.
Oh.
You big baby.
Big girl sitting down there. Okay, here's my jacket. Hold my jacket. Let's go.
No.
Ayan. Say
That when-
dinner time. Yes.
Fan on?
No, I'm not gonna turn the fan on.
Oh, this
And
one feels so warm.
dinner time na sila, guys.
This one feels so warm.
Hi, guys. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog. Kaganina yung sundo ko sa mga bata sa bus stop. Actually, hindi na ako nag-vlog kaganina. Simula kanina eh. Sobrang nabisi lang. But anyways, we are back on our Elf on the Shelf. Day 6 na tayo, guys. Day 6. So, hindi ko alam kung ano yung gagawin ko. Ang naiisip ko naman is Kisses na ilalagay natin, ilalagay natin siya sa foil. I-shape natin siya as a KitKat. Tapos, lalagay ko dito sa table is yung mga maliliit na KitKat. May nakita kasi ako saan ba nakita? Sa internet na Pooh Reindeer. Free Pooh Reindeer, parang ganon. Or parang pwede ko nalang ilagay na free kisses. Parang ganon. So, let's go. Kailangan natin tanggalin. Tinip talaga ng todo-todo para hindi matanggal. Wawa naman.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you.
So, ayan na guys. Madalian lang ang ating ayan. Free kisses. Buddy. Dahil Friday naman na bukas, so pwede na silang mag-free kisses. So guys, ano oras na naman? 11:54 na. So ayan. So anyways, tingnan nyo yung ng Fesco. Hindi ko alam kung ano nangyayari na naman sa Fesco. Dahil nagbabago yung weather, nagbabago din ng Fesco. Naiirita na nga ako. Ang katika mo niya. Oh my God. Ang kati niya, promise. But anyways, yung mga kids tomorrow is another 2-hour delay ulit sila sa school. So yeah, late na naman sila papasok bukas. Pero hindi naman yun counted dahil naman ng school yun. Dahil sobrang ang lamig, tapos ang lakas pa ng hangin. Kaya kasi nag-a-ice yung road. Kaya kailangan malagyan nila ng salt. Yung salt is yung mga salt na pang yelo talaga na so yun ikakalat nila lahat sa buong daan para matunaw yung ice na nabuo, talagang yung ice talaga siya. Kaya naging 2-hour delayed para ma-make sure na especially dun sa mga bus na ano, kaya 2-hour delayed sila tomorrow again. So ayan, I'm done with my day 5 or day 6 na pala, day 6 ng ating Elf on the Shelf. So I'm going to bed. But anyways guys, I'm gonna say good night na dahil late na naman. So yeah, good night, and I hope hindi talaga kayo magsawa dito sa aking paggagawa ng Elf on the Shelf dahil once a year lang natin to ginawa. Last year, ini-start ko lang to last year. Dapat nga matagal ko na itong ginawa pero okay lang yan. Better than late than than hindi, diba? Anyways, sana hindi talaga kayo magsawa sa ating Elf on the Shelf. Ayan, para nakikita nyo yung mga ginagawang kalokohan para sa mga anak ko. So, ayan. Good night, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you guys again tomorrow. Good night.